Hi, my name is Blake Hardy. I live in Los Angeles, California, and I'm a vintage collector and wardrobe stylist. I remember finding this Iron Maiden shirt, and it had this kind of cyborg skull on the front, and on the back it had this giant skeleton middle finger, and it said, "Ram it down, shove it up." I wore that thing once, threw it in the laundry. My mom's threw that away, for sure. That shirt, I never saw that shirt again. And after that, it was like, okay, it's on, let's go. I'm gonna go find all the random offensive shirts I can and hide them from you until I'm out of this house. And then I'm gonna collect them for the rest of my life, apparently. Clothes to me is something that on the surface to most people may seem a bit superficial, and to some degree they are. However, I do find them to be great vehicles to express yourself and to send whatever message you want to send out to every person you cross each and every day. You know, I started off collecting, and then it turned into, wow, I have a lot of clothes, too much. So I started selling, I started hitting the Rose Bowl, but it got old quick. Like, selling it's not the same high as finding it. And so as I started to do more wardrobe styling, it just became a great resource to keep around. I go hunting not as often as I would like to. I used to go every day for a long time. Sometimes it's just a matter of like you're driving down the road and you see that random mom and pop like Cuddy thrift shop. Let me just pop in here, see what they have. You never know what you're gonna uncover. I found some really, really good gems by just pulling off when I saw something, and I had the 10 or 15 minutes to go flip through a couple of racks. So it's just about knowing what you want and then being consistent in attempting to find it. But I've driven far for a thrift shop. You know you found something unique when you pick it up and it just has that feel to it. But then it comes down to like a bunch of variables. You know, what is the color combination? What kind of materials are used? Like, are the buttons all there? What kind of stains are there? Sometimes stains are good, sometimes stains not so good. So I think that I'll continue to collect and amass all these various eras and objects that I'm so interested in. I don't think I'll stop. It's, you know, some people collect stamps or baseball cards or collect memories on vacations. I very much like the cross-pollination of fashion and pop culture and history that comes with a great piece of vintage clothing.